Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being pattern. Now I'm a pretty simple person when it comes to the patterns on my clothes, so let's see how that translates into my drawing. So coming into this piece, I wanted to do something a little more silly. And since I've been kind of on a roll keeping all my drawings this month all looking like they're part of the same set of work, I knew I had to do something kind of with a character of some sort. This was hard for me to think of an idea at first because thinking of characters and pattern don't really go hand in hand all that much. But then I came up with this idea of this ninja wearing this bright polka dotted patterned outfit that he got as a gift. I wanted to make him look like he was pretty upset that he got this, since the bright pink would not be a very stealthy color for a ninja. But I'm going to be quiet and I'll let you all enjoy this, and I will see you at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word pattern. Now I think this turned out really funny, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!